My name is Rudy. I'm owner of iRecycle Guy Phone and Tablet Repair. Your reliable, on-the-go phone repair from Wacom and Skagit. We come to you. So smartphones have become a vital part of our society. And at iRecycle Guy, we understand that. So we implemented a super simple way to get your device fixed as soon as possible, but also having a good impact on the environment. We specialize in getting a fast turnaround so that you don't have to wait one full day or even a week to get your device repaired, because we know how important it is for you to have a functioning, reliable device. What makes ours different is one key factor. We tie in the fact that we want to make sure that you have the fastest turnaround. 2, we give you the best product available. And 3, you don't have to wait longer than 1 day to get your device fixed. Other companies may use replica parts. We don't. We use genuine Apple product and Samsung products with all the devices. So at iRecycle Guy, there's a lot of things that we take into consideration. Mainly your security. Check My Badge is an awesome thing that we hooked up with. They run a background check, drug tests, and also a driving record. We also give you the sense of security so that you feel comfortable with us coming to your location and getting the device repaired. So if you broke your device, 2 simple options. 1, you can give us a call. We'll make an appointment. We'll just need your email address to verify the appointment time. 2, you can go on our website, click the appointment, put your basic information, and we'll get right to you as soon as we can. From there, all you'll do is confirm our appointment, verify what device you have, and we will show up.